Welcome to Decoding Autism Now, your trusted source for science-backed insights into autism. This is where science meets clarity about autism. I'm Dr. Elise Martin, and this is episode 6 of our 24-part series based on the book Unlocking the Rhythm of Digestion in Autism by Quay Stoner, available now on Amazon. Today we'll explore how hormones, neurotransmitters, and tiny cellular pulses work together like an orchestra, and how rhythm can break in autism. Imagine your body as a vast orchestra. In this symphony, hormones and enzymes aren't just messengers, they're the master timekeepers. Each must arrive at the right moment to keep digestion, metabolism, and brain chemistry on track. For instance, digestive enzymes must be released at the precise instant food arrives, signaling that nutrients are on their way and setting the stage for the body's next move. But if one instrument plays out of time, the entire system suffers. A single delayed signal creates a cascade of dissonance. This is why rhythm matters so profoundly. It's not just the presence of a hormone that counts, but its perfect, rhythmic delivery. The entire composition can be thrown into chaos. That precise timing is critical for digestion and for reliable signaling to the brain. When the gut's rhythm is off, the messages become garbled. Understanding this breakdown in rhythm helps explain many gut-brain symptoms seen in autism, from anxiety to sensory overload. Think of your digestive system as a finely tuned orchestra. The maestro of this symphony is stomach acid, its pH level. This conductor sets the tempo for everything that follows. When the highly acidic chyme enters the small intestine, it's the first critical cue in digestion. Specialized S cells are waiting, and if the pH drops below a precise threshold of 4.2, they release the hormone secretin. This signal is a command with multiple parts. It triggers the pancreas to release bicarbonate, a natural antacid, to neutralize the potent acid and protect the delicate intestinal lining. This creates the perfect alkaline environment for the next wave of digestive enzymes. Simultaneously, it signals the stomach to release pepsinogen and slow its emptying, a crucial feedback loop. That timed cascade allows for proper protein digestion. Miss the cue, and the chain reaction collapses, like an orchestra without a conductor. This can lead to inflammation and dysbiosis, disrupting the gut-brain axis. So, pH timing is foundational to downstream rhythms, impacting everything from nutrient absorption to our neurological health. Several hormones pulse in bursts. Gastrin increases stomach acid, motilin sweeps the intestines clean between meals, setting motility rhythm. CCK coordinates bile and pancreatic enzymes for fats and proteins. When that ebb and flow flattens, digestion stalls and signals to the brain falter. Next, we explore the neurotransmitter layer. Your gut is a bustling chemical factory, and a key product is serotonin. While famous for influencing mood, a staggering 90% of it is made in your gut, where it also helps regulate sleep cycles and digestion. For many on the autism spectrum, challenges in these exact areas are common, making a healthy gut environment fundamental for providing a foundation for well-being. The gut also supports the production of about 25% of our GABA, the brain's primary calming signal. Think of it as the brake pedal for your nervous system. Certain beneficial gut bacteria produce GABA, which helps reduce anxiety and can lessen the intensity of repetitive behaviors. A thriving gut microbiome essentially equips the brain with the resources it needs to find a state of calm. But when gut rhythms are off, if food moves too slowly or microbes shift, this vital production line falters and impairs a key GABA supply. The brain is starved of its soothing signals. Without enough serotonin and GABA, the nervous system can easily tip into a state of stress or fight or flight, making sensory inputs feel overwhelming and heightening anxiety. The vagus nerve acts like the conductor's baton, linking gut and brain and regulating motility and hormone release. Strengthening vagal tone through deep breathing or humming can help restore synchrony. Cold exposure and paced breathing are simple tools to support that connection. These support both motility and neurotransmitter signaling. Timing also happens inside each cell. Tiny calcium puffs send rhythmic signals that activate genes, neurotransmitter release, and energy use. If hormones are mistimed or receptors blocked, those pulses flatten and cells lose rhythm. That may explain why some treatments, like secretin injections in the late 1990s, can show a short benefit that often fades with repeated treatments. The deeper cellular rhythms and pathways remain disrupted. Restoring cellular synchrony requires coordinated, timed support across systems. When rhythm fails, consequences cascade. High intestinal pH can leave proteins partially undigested. Fragments from gluten and casein can act like opioid peptides and interfere with receptors such as CD26. That receptor interference slows adenosine clearance and methylation, creating a feedback loop that maintains high pH and poor digestion. It's not just a deficiency, it's a systemic loss of timing. The good news, rhythm can be restored. First, optimize stomach acid cycles to restore proper digestion. Second, timed meals help activate motilin and normal motility between meals. Third, targeted probiotics like Lactobacillus rhamnosus or Bifidobacterium infantis can support neurotransmitter balance. Add key cofactors, vitamin B6, magnesium, zinc, and support bile flow with bitters or ginger, plus prioritize sleep and stress balance. Thank you for joining us at Decoding Autism Now. Hopefully you found this helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. In our next episode, we will explore a biomedical cascade of events released when there is not enough stomach acidity. For a deeper dive into our topics, check out the book, Unlocking the Rhythm of Digestion in Autism, available on Amazon. Remember to always consult a healthcare provider before making changes to your health routine. Final thought, balance isn't just a mindset, it's a molecular rhythm.